Hello, my friends, and welcome to another Amazon product review. Today, we are checking out another children's digital camera. This is an Ourlife kids camera with a 2-inch display screen. This comes with a 8 gigabyte memory card. There is the colors they come in this one where it's yellow and pink, and also yellow and blue. So here's the little guy right here, kind of a neat looking little camera. And let's see, there's a little display here on the side. We have access to let's see, looks like a micro USB and the SD card in the side there. All right, so that's that. Also in the box, we have a USB to micro USB cord, a little lanyard that can go on there to hold your camera, and also some instructions. So that's kind of neat. Okay, so the little lanyard, obviously, it could just fit through this little corner piece here and just loop it through. So I'll just show you guys how to attach that real quick. On attach, you should just be able to push this, and this comes off like that. Okay. And I guess I don't need to take that off to put that on there, but you can. It probably makes it a little easier. So just push the little loop through one way, if I can. It's going to be tricky. All right. Get it through just like that. Pull your cord through, and then put the little handle through that loop part, and then pull it like that. Okay. There you have that, and then you can just reattach your cord, and it's a little easier to hold it so it doesn't get lost or something like that. So, all right. So now we're going to go ahead and charge this up, and then we're going to go over how to use it, how to turn it on, how to go through the menu. I'm going to take some pictures, some video, show you guys the quality and everything like that. So let's get this thing charging, and we'll get to work. Well, friends, we are going to show how to use the camera here. So on the bottom, it has a little on-off button. Make sure that is switched to the on position before you start going here. Can we focus, please? Thank you. Right there is what we're talking about. And it says on and off. All right, and then you push the power button to turn it on. Little Ourlife screen comes up. And then with these buttons here, you can toggle through the menu, up, down, and it has a bunch of different settings here. So it has a little music thing, go on that. It plays Happy Birthday. The M button here, that backs out. If you want to go to your camera, hit OK. Now the camera can zoom in if we hold down the M button, I believe. Nope, I'm sorry. Hold down the up button. There we go. And also zoom out by holding down the down button. So there's the zoom in and out. And we can take a picture of this beautiful quilt here. Just like that. Can back out of the camera with the M button. We're going to select a video. Click OK on the video. All right, we're going to zoom out again. Or perhaps we can't zoom out. I guess it's only with the video camera portion. We're going to go ahead and push the button on the top here to record. There's that. I'm going to come over here. See the cats at the gopher hole there. And to stop recording, simply press that button on the top again. Okay, to go back, hit the M button. You can see your videos, hit select on that, and you can play. Oops, I'm sorry. Hit the select to play, yes. So there's the video on there. That does a lot better outside, seems like. There's the cats on there. Okay, we can back out of that. There's the microphone. You can record stuff here just for sound, I guess. And then you can go to settings. So it has the SD card on there, has the version, has the default settings, language, screensavers, auto power off, frequency, camera resolution, and video resolution, and then volume. So if you want to select those, that's how you do it with up and down. That backs out. If we want to delete a video, I believe we just hold down the M button. Oh, I thought it was that. Hang on one second. So it's actually, oops, let me go back. If you want to delete it, you would just hold down the power button to delete. Okay, so let's there's a cat there. I'm just going to hold down this power button. Oh, blast. I think I'm supposed to hold it down, maybe just press it to delete the picture. So hold it down, turns it off. Sorry about that. Okay, go to our videos. There's a cat. Okay, just press the button, I'm sorry about that, and delete. Okay, and then back, and if you guys want to take a picture, oops, and you have the little filters on there. Go to there, and then you can press right or left. Has different options there. The timer. I thought it had different filters on there too. Okay, we're gonna go back. Check out the video. And okay, there's the filters on the video. So you can have like a different hues on there if you want, or just normal color. Okay, so that's about it for that. We made a video. We're going to upload it here, see how it turns out, and do our final review. So thanks for watching this one, guys. We'll see you in just a second. Hey guys, just doing a little tour here. I'm going to come over here. See the cats at the gopher hole there. And to stop recording, press that button on the top. So as we can see, it's a nice little camera for, you know, for kids and stuff. The quality's not great, but if you're just teaching your toddler to, you know, take some pictures or have fun with a little camera and have them, play around with a little toy. Not bad for that, and you kind of teach them how to use a digital camera as well, because it does have a lot of little features on there and things that you can mess with. Obviously, kind of with picture quality, you get what you pay for, and you're not really expecting something to put out like 1080p, 4K, 8K res type videos with something with this price tag. But all in all, a nice little camera. Kids would probably like it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll link it in the description below. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.